In 2020 and 2021, an ongoing outbreak of avian influenza subtype H5N8 has been occurring at poultry farms and among wild bird populations in several countries and continents, leading to the subsequent cullings of millions of birds to prevent a pandemic similar to that of the H5N1 outbreak in 2008. The first case of human transmission was reported by Russian authorities in February 2021, as several poultry farm workers tested positive for the virus. On the 4th of February 2020, Saudi Arabian government reported an outbreak of the highly pathogenic H5N8 virus on a poultry farm. The outbreak, which occurred in the central Sudan region, killed more than 22,000 birds in a few weeks. In the summer months, H5N8 was detected in wild birds in western Russia and Kazakhstan. Because this included waterbirds that migrate into northern and western Europe, it was considered likely that the virus would be detected there later in the year. On October 22, the Agriculture Minister Carola Schouten of the Netherlands confirmed that H5N8 had been found in samples from wild birds in the country. As a countermeasure, it was required that birds in poultry farms were kept indoors and isolated. From late October to mid-November, it had spread to 3 chicken farms and a duck farm in the country. And the 320,000 birds in the farms had been eradicated to stop the spread. Shortly after the first detection in the Netherlands, it was confirmed in the United Kingdom, Belgium and Sweden. These outbreaks resulted in countermeasures that were similar to those already taken in the Netherlands. According to official confirmed report from Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries of Japan, multiple dead chickens were found in 49 places poultry farms, 16 off Shikoku Island, 15 in Kyushu Island, 10 in Kanto region, 5 in western Honshu, each one off Awaji Island, Gifu Prefecture and Toyama Prefecture, Japan on November 5, 2020 to February 25, 2021. According to local official confirmed report, these cases were highly pathogenic H5N8 type flu. On November 10, South Korea's Agriculture Ministry said it had confirmed the highly pathogenic H5N8 strain of bird flu in samples from wild birds in the central west of the country and issued its bird flu warning. On November 27, China's Agriculture Ministry reported that H5N8 had been found in wild swans in Shanxi province, while Norway detected its first case of the highly pathogenic H5N8 strain of bird flu in wild geese in Santna municipality, prompting the Norwegian Food Safety Authority to introduce a regional ban on outdoor poultry. On November 30, South Korea reported an outbreak of pathogenic H5N8 avian influenza at a farm in Jeongeuk, North Jeolla province, killing over 19,000 ducks. The H5N8 avian influenza was reported in 2 districts of Indian state of Kerala in early January 2021, which killed hundreds of birds in late December 2020. Thousands of birds were culled. Avian influenza outbreaks of unknown subtypes were later also reported in 5 other states of India. 160,000 birds in 2 poultry farms in Barwala, Panchkula and Raipur Rani are to be culled. 437,000 birds have died in this poultry belt between mid-December and the 8th of January 2021. By the 9th of January 2021, 7 states confirmed the outbreak. On January 15, authorities in Namibia suspended the importation and transit of poultry from European countries, where an outbreak of the avian influenza subtype H5N8 has been reported. On January 20, Iraq reported an outbreak of highly pathogenic H5N8 bird flu on a farm in the city of Samsara, which killed 63,700 birds out of the 68,800 strong flock. According to the Paris-based World Organization for Animal Health, the remaining birds were subsequently culled. According to Japan's Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fishes official confirmed report on January 21, a detection of H5N8 type bird flu from weakened body's condition of edible ducks on poultry farm in Yokoshibaikari, near Narita, Chiba Prefecture. A total 10 poultry farms were shipped past a week. Relative many edible ducks slaughtered by Japan's self-ground defense force. A second case occurred at a poultry farm near Narita on January 24. And many edible ducks were slaughtered, including amount already shipped to many poultry farm in Japan by JSGDF. According to JAFFM official confirmed report. On February 1, Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs of China reported an outbreak of highly pathogenic H5N8 in wild swans at the Winter Palace, Beijing. On February 2, authorities in Brandenburg, Germany, culled 14,000 turkeys on a farm due to a confirmed outbreak of H5N8 in the Uckermark area. On February 9, Algeria reported an outbreak of H5N8 on a poultry farm in the town of Ain-for-Crown. The outbreak killed 50,000 birds, with the remaining 1,200 birds in the flock being culled. According to a report from the Agriculture Ministry, Afghanistan reported an outbreak of H5N8 bird flu on a poultry farm in Herat province on February 25. The outbreak,